American covert operations to obviously to counter the communist threat.
Stung by this criticism, the American State Department set up a commission of historians to examine the controversy. In 2001, the first major payments from the Swiss banks were released. The New York-based group administering the billion-dollar fund sent payments to 35,000 Holocaust survivors in 36 countries. Some of them were given to people used as slave labor by the Nazis. But for many of the people who received the money, it revived bitter memories of wartime anguish, as a Holocaust survivor, Barbara Traub, recalls.
It took a long time, years and years, for the Swiss to even admit that there were those accounts, dormant accounts. But I think that it's better later than never. But there is bitterness in my heart.
After decades of deception, the Swiss banks have finally settled their account with the families of surviving Holocaust victims. But the painstaking investigation has revealed something that defies explanation. How Switzerland, a supposedly neutral country, could make such a Faustian pact with the Nazi devil and be happy to profit from it. Today, it remains one of the bleakest enigmas of the Second World War.